there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we dive into the nitty-gritty of products so you don't have to. Today, we're comparing two mini 3D printers that promise to take your DIY game to the next level. On the left, we have the Entina Mint 3D printer Tina 2, aka Tina 2, and on the right we have the Asani Mini 3D printer, or just Asani for short. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk about the thing that burns a hole in your pocket: price. Tina 2 comes in at a very wallet-friendly $169. That's less than what you probably spent on takeout last month. Now, Asani, on the other hand, is priced at a whopping $500. For that price, you'd expect it to cook you dinner and do your laundry. But nope, it's just a 3D printer. If you're a beginner or a broke college student, Tina 2 is already winning this round. Both printers come fully assembled, which is a blessing because who has time to play IKEA with a 3D printer? Tina 2 is marketed as a 3D printer for beginners, and you can start printing within minutes. Asani also promises to go from zero to hero in no time with its complete starter kit. But let's be real, Asani, for $500, you'd better be printing gold by the end of the day. Reviewers have praised Tina 2 for its user-friendliness, while Asani has received accolades for its easy setup and kid-friendly features. Now, let's talk about auto-leveling. Tina 2 boasts an intelligent leveling system that automatically adjusts the uneven bed. It's like having a mini genius in your printer. Asani also features easy auto-leveling and even has a dual Z-axis rail for those high-precision prints. Both printers seem to have this feature nailed down, but for the price difference, Tina 2's auto-leveling feels like a steal. Reviewers have found Tina 2's leveling system to be highly effective, while Asani's dual Z-axis rail has been noted for its precision. Design-wise, both printers are like twins separated at birth. They both measure 8.3 x 8.3 inches x 11.4 and are lightweight, making them perfect for any small space. But Tina 2 is slightly lighter at 3 kilograms, making it an easy travel buddy if you're into that sort of thing. Asani weighs 6.6 pounds, which is almost double. Maybe Asani is hitting the gym? Reviewers appreciate Tina 2's compact design, while Asani's build has been praised for durability. Tina 2 is equipped with a 2.4 inches LCD screen and comes with Weebuliter Slicer software. It's like the printer is saying, "I got you, fam." Asani also has a 2.4 inches LCD screen and is compatible with a bunch of slicing software, including WeBuilder, Cura, and Simplify 3D. Asani is open source, so it's like the hipster of 3D printers, always open to new experiences. Reviewers have found Tina 2's interface simple and effective, while Asani's open-source compatibility has been a big hit with tech enthusiasts. Both printers come with a flexible magnetic build plate and have one-touch filament loading. Tina 2 supports resume printing after power outages, which is basically like having a save button for your life. Asani also has an active pause and resume function, but for $500, it should have a feature that does your taxes too. Reviewers love Tina 2's reliability during power outages, while Asani's advanced features like the detachable hotend kit have been well received. Overall, reviewers have found Tina 2 to be user-friendly, affordable, and compact, making it a great choice for beginners. On the other hand, Asani has been praised for its advanced features, precision, and versatility, though it comes at a higher price point. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a budget and just want to dip your toes into the world of 3D printing, Entina 2 is your go-to. It's like the affordable, reliable friend who always has your back. On the other hand, if you've got cash to burn and want to go all out, Asani offers a few more features and open-source flexibility. Either way, both printers are solid choices. So what's it gonna be? The budget-friendly Entina 2 or the feature-packed Asani? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay awesome.